Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta.
I'm Naveen.
And welcome to A Desi Abroad. Friends, we've had such amazing snowfall here in Leicester. So much white beauty all around that I thought I had to share it with you. And yes, this is my bay leaf plant in the garden, the only one that survives the harsh winter. But after a snowy day, I eagerly wait for sunshine the next morning, which brings with it such stunning views. This is the beautiful view from our bedroom window that I managed to capture. It never fails to inspire me. And taking inspiration from this stunning view, we thought what better time than this to cook for you another one from our favorites, the delicious ginger prawns. And if you are a seafood lover like us, then I'm sure you'll love this dish. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking. To make the ginger prawns, we need 250 grams of prawns. For the marination, we need salt to taste, 3/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar. We need to make a paste of 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 large onion, 2 green chilies and 30 grams of whole fresh ginger. We also need 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to add to the gravy and a handful of chopped coriander for garnish. The prawns have been deveined and washed thoroughly. To this we've added 3/4 teaspoon of salt or add as per your taste, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar. Mix all these thoroughly and set aside to marinate for about 20 minutes. Now blanch a tomato in water by microwaving it for about 6 minutes. To a pan, add very little oil and saute 1 large onion, 2 green chilies and 30 grams of fresh peeled ginger. Saute for about 2 minutes and when cooled, blend together with a blanched tomato into a smooth paste. Now to the same pan, add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and when the oil is hot, add in the ground paste. Cook this paste for about a minute and keep stirring occasionally. Then add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it well and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium heat until the raw smell of ginger is gone. After 5 to 6 minutes of cooking, the raw smell of ginger is gone from the sauce. At this stage, add in the marinated prawns, mix it well along with the gravy and let it cook on medium flame for 7 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally as it cooks. After 7 minutes, reduce the flame to low and cook for a further 5 minutes. And our ginger prawns is ready. See how simple it was to make it? A perfect comfort food for a cold day. This is a dish that is so delicious that once you start eating it, you don't feel like stopping. Serve hot with fried rice. Do try it out, enjoy it with your family and friends, and let us know how much you loved it. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. See you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and happy.